They are here. 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 Oh my goodness. Really quick before we go into the review, I gotta say thank you guys so much for pulling up first and foremost. Thank you. But also Nike, gotta give a big shout out to Nike. Thank you so much for allowing me to hit on these. I've been wanting to sell it for a very long time, and this is probably going to be my most craziest unboxing, probably my biggest hit I ever got for this year. So without further ado, let's get straight into this review. Let's get it. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, I hope you also did enjoy the little small intro that I had in the beginning of the video, because today we are taking a look at the Nike and SACAI and FRAGMENT LDWAFFLE, and I'm just I can't believe we are really about to look at these today. I just cannot believe that. So first and foremost, before we go into this review, I really want to say thank you guys so much for your love and support that you have literally been showing me. You've been showing the channel. I appreciate you guys commenting. I keep up with all your guys' comments as much as I can. It really allows me to push and go harder every single day when I'm making videos. So I really do appreciate your guys' support, like to the moon and back. Much love to all of you out there. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're a new subscriber, love you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I just can't believe we actually hit on these. I really can't. This is probably going to be no joke, my greatest secure I've ever gotten off of like Nike sneakers in the history of me trying to get sneakers, if that makes sense. So without further ado, I don't want to waste any more of your guys' time, because I'm pretty sure you're just as excited as I am, and we're gonna go straight into these beautiful Nike, SACAI, and FRAGMENT LDWAFFLEs. Let's get it. Before we take a beautiful dive into these wonderful sneakers though, if you're a returning subscriber, then you already know, but if you're brand new, I always like to be color coordinated with the product I am reviewing, and I like to do it with matching headbands. So I'm gonna get a headband on to match perfectly with these sneakers colorway, and we'll be right back right now. Let's get it. All right, I'm back. So as you can see, I do have my navy headband on, and the colorway for these are, I think they're calling them blackened blue. Other descriptions are calling these blue void, but basically they're like a navy, and woo, I can't believe I hit on these. So we're gonna go ahead and get our fancy knife right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cutting into this box. And man, comment down below and let me know, how are you guys feeling today, and how are you, hold on, this box is taking forever. And how are you guys feeling as far as sneakers this year? I know a lot of people, they wanted these. There's also a gray version coming out as well. I will put a picture up right now. Big shout out to actually Jay, the sneaker guy too, because this is his photo right here. So big shout out to you, homie. Keep doing your thing, bro. You're making amazing progress. I'm just extremely proud of you. But I know that these are, oh, look at the box. Look at the box, bro. This is literally the cleanest box. It's orange. You do have your Nike on top, and then you do have on the side, it is in that black and white font right there, as you can see. Oh my gosh. So really quick backstory though before we actually go into diving into these. So I didn't think I was gonna hit on these at all. Literally, I believe it was Friday. The draw took place because Nike sneakers has been doing a lot of draws, and so the draw opened. I entered, and I was just driving to work, and I was like, I drove to work. I got an email saying got it. I pulled over and was screaming in my car. I wish I had the clip to show you guys. I was literally screaming in my car. I was like, I can't believe it. I actually hit on those. And I got it in my size as well. It's just, I'm so thankful. I am just so thankful. Also, Nike and SACAI have made previous colorways of this silhouette in the past. I'll put a picture up so you guys can see. I've been trying to hit on all of them as much as I can. but obviously I couldn't, and I wasn't gonna pay resale because I really didn't want to pay resale for it. So this is crazy too, because Nike, SACAI, and FRAGMENT, if you don't know, FRAGMENT has been going crazy this year. They've made a lot of collaborations. We got a dunk with FRAGMENT. We also do got the Travis Scott highs and Travis Scott lows that I wish I hit on, but I didn't. And now we got these. Oh man, I'm sorry, I know I'm rambling. You guys are just like, dude, hurry up and show the shoe. I am so excited. So here we go right now. I did go ahead and get, it is, the design description does read Nike LDWAFFLE / SF. I believe that stands for, I wanna say, I don't know what the S stands for. I wanna say the S is FRAGMENT, but retail is $160, and I did get a size 11.5. Let me go ahead, even though I'm gonna give you guys an overview right now, I just still want you guys to see this. And look at the box. It's a slide out box, very fire. Oh my God, I'm like shaking right now to open these, but here we go. So we're gonna go ahead and slide these. I believe you slide it like this. Oh, it's a little slit. You pull that back. Oh God. You go ahead and you slide this, and oh! You slide this back right here. Boom! Take it off. Thank you, dude. This is the cleanest presentation. And as we can see, oh, look at the presentation. As you can see, you get hit with the tissue paper is white and black, and it does have, I believe it says SACAI. I'm actually looking in the camera, so I'm not looking right here, but it does say SACAI. They smell like God. They smell so good. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out together. Oh, I don't know which one I wanna start with. I don't know which one I wanna start with. I guess we can go right here. Oh snap. Bear with me, guys. We're gonna start with maybe the bottom one, I guess. And let's pull it back. Oh my God, look at the presentation. The presentation's amazing. Oh, so they're wrapped up in tissue paper. Let's go ahead and take out one pair right now. I can barely contain this excitement. Let's go ahead and take it out right now. If you guys are enjoying the video, please go ahead and leave a like. Also comment down below, because this is probably my favorite unboxing review I'm doing for you guys. So we're going right here. We're taking them out the tissue paper, and oh no. Yo, there they go right there. Here we are greeted with the Nike, SACAI, and FRAGMENT LDWAFFLE. Oh my God, these are so hard. These are so hard. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other pair out in a few minutes for you guys, but take a look at them right here. There they go. Look at the material, look at the outsole, the insole. What does that say? Classic FRAGMENT SACAI. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the secondary one, the second pair out, and then we're gonna go ahead and actually review it. So hold on. All right, I'm back, and yo, check it out. They come with extra laces though. These kind of like white laces, these are honestly amazing. So I think what I wanna go ahead and do, I wanna start off with probably the left, because this shoestring is actually in the way. So let's take a look at it together. So starting, oh my God, this is so cool. Starting from the outsole, you do have an all black outsole. You do kind of have like your track pads right there. Look, very amazing. Looking right there, what does it say? US patent, and then you're hitting one, actually some numbers right there. Going up, this is probably literally, there's two reasons why I've always wanted this silhouette, and it's probably right here. You do hit with your midsole, which does stick out like the most coolest thing for a sneaker. Look at the midsole. It sticks out, and if you look closely, I know maybe the camera may not pick it up the best, but if you look closely, it does say the classic FRAGMENT SACAI. Dude, look at this clean. Let's check it out together. The classic FRAGMENT SACAI. Going up more, you are hit with the double swoosh, which is really cool. I mean, what sneakers are you seeing that have a double swoosh on it? Very clean. I do love the premium, I guess you could say, netting and material they used for this. Very amazing. Going back to the back of the heel, it is kind of like a nice little suede action that you get right here. You do hit on the heel as well at the back. You have Nike, and it kind of overlays right there, and it does say SACAI. I want you guys to check that out. Going to the front, Dude, I'm just excited. I am so excited with this. This is, wow. Going to the front, you are hit with your, I guess you could say, your navy laces, and then it does go up to the 2 tongues. You do get your Nike, let me see, you do get your Nike sports tongue right there, and then right behind it, you're hit with the beautiful Fragment logo right there. Oh, this is so cool. Let's go ahead and take out the shoe tree, baby. I go ahead and if you look at the shoe, sorry, yeah, take out the shoe tree, look at the insole, it does have Nike and SACAI, and the lettering is on top of the SACAI, just how it was in the back of the heel. And then kind of, as you can see, I did get 11.5, so fire, bro. These are so clean. I cannot believe I hit on these. Nike, thank you so much. Like, I'm really thankful. I'm really thankful I hit on these. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these Nike, SACAI, and Fragment LD waffles. For sure, this is a display for me. This is a display for me. I like stuff like this does not happen every day. This is like, I got them for retail. Like, I cannot really even believe that. I'm thankful. I'm really thankful. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this second pair right here. Here we go, right there. Just, this is, oh my God, this is just a clean shoe, bro. I'm not trying to like hype up the video or anything like that, but these are really clean, and I'm surprised I hit on them. Like I said, there is going to be a gray version that is coming out as well. I believe that's going to be September 8th, so check for that if you are looking for it. Comment down below, would you pay resale for these? Be real. Would you pay resale for these? It's not that I wouldn't pay resale, it's just I don't want to pay resale, but I mean, I gotta admit, man, these are fire. I can only imagine how the gray pair look. Like, seriously. Again, big shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy too. He actually made a review over the gray version of these. Go check it out. Like, his is probably, the reason why I'm referring him was because this is probably, his video is probably the best one that I've seen so far. He does a really great job. He lace swaps, he does all that. Go check out the kid, for real. Man is out here putting in massive amount of work, seriously. But here they go, right here. Here are the SACAI, Nike, and Fragment LD waffles. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on feet and really quick an overview so you guys can see. So check it out right here. And oh my God, these are just so cool, bro. Like, the uniqueness, this is a unique shoe. This is a unique design. I really genuinely am happy I got this. You get the double laces, they hang like, these are fire. These are honestly fire. So guys, please let me know what you think of the Nike SACAI Fragment LD waffles. These are honestly amazing. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Again, I just want to say a humongous big shout out to you guys for showing me a massive amount of love, massive amount of support. The energy is right back for you guys, I promise you. So it really means a lot. The channel just hit 850. So if you're seeing this right now, like this video, comment, subscribe, get the kid up to 1K, because I'm doing it for y'all. I love doing this. This is fun. This is amazing. I get to inspire people. I get to talk to people. I get to just, it's just cool, man. It's just so cool. So I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. I really do. Again, these are them right there. Couple more action shots right there. And until next time, remember, please remember that there's only ever gonna be one you in this life. So don't be someone else. Don't be your friend. Be yourself. Just be yourself. Who cares what other people think about you? Just be yourself, seriously. And until next time, guys, it is your boy, it is your kid, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.